subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about new Palm Buds Pro. Palm Buds Pro adopts the stem design many earbuds have. They also have a closed-fit design with replaceable silicone tips. Palm rounds it off with a matte paint finish. While it is only available in black, users can buy protective silicone cases in navy blue and rose pink. Each earbud has a studio-grade 10mm dynamic driver that provides big thumping bass, enhanced mids, and crisp highs. There is active noise cancellation thanks to a 6-microphone system. There is also ambient mode so users can hear announcements, voices, and street traffic while playback is on. Palm says users will also enjoy crystal clear calls thanks to environmental noise cancelling technology that reduces ambient noise during calls whether you are indoors or out having a run. Palm Buds Pro supports ultra-fast Bluetooth parent sync and multi-device switching. Battery life is 4.5 hours with ANC on, and goes up to 24 hours with the case. Earbuds are compatible with Android and iOS. Have support for the Google Assistant and Siri, are rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance, and have smart touch control. Palm Buds Pro is available for pre-order for $99 on palm.com e-commerce store. So friends, how did you like this product? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.